Good morning guys, my name is Lee Scott from Vulcan Watch Straps, and today we're going to be showing you how to change your Rolex Oyster bracelet onto a Vulcan watch strap. So let's get started. So firstly then, if you're watching this video, I assume that you've actually purchased one of our straps, and I'd just like to thank you for that. I really appreciate everybody's support. We've really tried to develop a product that is the best on the market, and we really try and develop this product to beat everybody else, to beat all the competition, and just really provide an all-round great strap, great materials, great packaging, and great durability. So let's go. So we've got the Rolex Submariner today, the Hulk. So obviously you need to start by taking your watch off, and then you will open your new watch strap. In this one we've gone for the green. So the emerald green watch strap here suits the Rolex Hulk. So you take your strap out of the box, obviously. Just put your box to one side, put your strap to one side, and take your Rolex Submariner. Now the first thing you obviously need to do is flip it over on it to its back, and you'll see inside here there are some these are called spring bars, which hold the Oyster bracelet in place. So what we need to do is use a spring bar removal tool, also shown here. So we'll use a small end of that tool. So I don't know if you can see that, but we have got like a small fork prong on there. Now there's a bit of a technique to doing this. I've done it a few times, and I've managed to develop a bit of a technique for doing it. So let's see how this goes. So what you need to do is you need to put your fingers inside of the strap to create some tension on the strap, because what you're aiming to do is actually just move this pin and pull the strap slightly outwards at the same time, maintaining that pressure, so that when the actual pin moves out, you're pulling it straight away, so it will come out and disengage from its hole. So let's try that. So we stick the spring bar removal tool in here, and you'll see there's a little lug on there, a small lug. So what you need to do is maintain the pressure on there, and you will see that one side has come out. You then do exactly the same on the other side, and you can then pull the strap. Comes out as easy as that. I think the key to it is to actually maintain the pressure, pulling the strap actually away from the spring bars. So with this one, once you've got it off one side, you can put some pressure down using your full hand, and actually use your other hand to pull the body away slightly. So then again you go in and you just tease the spring bar out like this, and there you have it. The Oyster bracelet has been removed in a couple of seconds. Easy as that. Okay, so what we need to do now is actually install the Vulcan watch strap. So what we're going to do is actually use the Rolex Oyster bracelet spring bars. There's no point reinventing the wheel by supplying some different spring bars. These are the best spring bars on the market, so best to use them with our products. In our strap, obviously, as you'll know, we've got a metallic element inside there, so there's a 316 stainless steel boss inside of there, which means that this will never break. The actual weakest point of this would be the Rolex spring bar, so there's no issues with anything breaking there. So what you need to do is take the long side of the strap, take your Rolex watch and turn it over. The 6 o'clock position is where the long strap goes. So what we do with this is just offer it up, and it should fit absolutely perfectly. So you just offer that up into the watch there, and then all it's a case of doing is just manipulating the spring bars into position. Once you've got them in, give it a little waggle about. Easy as that. Straight in, no problem. We've actually designed these straps to fit a lot better than the competition. I've tried installing the competition and it just takes an age. These are dead easy to install, designed to be installed quickly and easily, as you can see. So next we take the buckle side strap that obviously goes at the 12 o'clock position. So same again, offer it in, it sits into that position. Then all we need to do is just manipulate the spring bars like so. Job done. So then we can take your Oyster bracelet, put that into the safe, keep it nice and pristine so it doesn't stretch and warp and scratch. That'll retain the value of your Rolex watch in the future. We can then use a cleaning cloth, give the watch a nice clean up. It's gone past that. So give the watch a good polish. Get rid of any marks there. Then you are good to go. And there we have it. Vulcan watch straps installed. As easy as that. Thanks for watching.